Hello, in this video we are going to combine two different images together, and here is the final edited photo. If you want us to edit photos for you, you can contact us on Instagram or WhatsApp to place your order. All the details to contact us on Instagram and WhatsApp are provided in the description of this video. Let's get start the video now. In the first step, we are going to generate a blank background, or in other words, we are going to generate blank empty background. For generation of blank background, we are going to use generative fill feature, so make sure you are using Photoshop's latest version with generative fill feature enabled. Create a selection around whatever object you want to remove from the photo, and use the generative fill feature to remove it, as shown in the video. We have created a blank background, and in the next step, we will remove the background from the photos. Now let's import our second photo and start editing process. First, we will remove the background from this photo. To remove the background, first we will create a selection around the object, and with the help of the brush tool, we will remove the extra parts. Okay, so in the final step, we will combine both photos and adjust the lighting and colors. So, enjoy the process. Here, to adjust the ante in the middle, we will first make two copies of the main layer. From one copy, we will remove the person on the right, and from the second copy, we will remove the person on the left, then adjust them properly. Here, we will make some color adjustments. Our final photo edit is complete. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.